Hi all. Welcome to Tuk Tuk Tech. We create awesome educational videos with the help of technology. We have an important update to share with you. Based on the feedbacks, we will be bringing you the complete course on stock market in English. There will be several videos on each module. We make sure that the videos will be simple and easily understandable for everyone. The videos will be purely based on Varsity by Zerodha. The link will be provided in the description section. Where to watch? You can watch the videos on our Facebook page. Also, in our YouTube channel. New videos will be posted every Sunday at 8 p.m. What you need to do: we put a lot of effort in making the videos. Make sure to like, share, and comment. Do you know Berkshire Hathaway is the world's costliest stock? One share of the company costs you over ₹2 crore. It's never too late to start. You can even start building a portfolio with ₹1,000. Only thing is that you should know where and when to invest. Learning never stops. And you have come to the right place to learn about the stock market. Let us learn together. Stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you.